Our topic says lands and people of Nigeria, main geographical zones or regions. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to number 1. Mention 3 major geographical regions in Nigeria. 2. Describe Nigeria based on its geographical location on the map of the world. 3. Point out the main features of the 3 geographical zones in Nigeria. Brief description of Nigeria. Nigeria is a country that is located in Africa, and it is located in West Africa. It is a country that began to exist in 1914 as a result of the amalgamation of North and Southern Protectorate by Lord Lugard. It is the most populated black country in the world, and it shares border with Republic of Benin in the west, with Chad in the northeast, with Cameroon in the east, and with Niger Republic in the north. Nigeria has an estimated population of 200 million people. It has a landmass of 923,768 square kilometers. It lies entirely in the tropic region of the world. It lies entirely in the tropic region of the world. On the northeastern border lies Lake Chad, and its southern end is the Niger Delta, that is, end of River Niger, and at that same southern end lies the bank of Atlantic Ocean. The north and southern part of Nigeria are linked up by 2 major rivers, namely River Niger and River Benue. These 2 rivers meet at a place called Lokoja in current-day Kogi State. There are basically 2 seasons in Nigeria, which are dry and rainy seasons. Dry season lasts from plus or minus November to March, while rainy season lasts from plus or minus April to October. The maximum temperature in the coastal area in the south is 37 degrees centigrade, and minimum temperature in the south is 10 degrees centigrade. In the north, the climate is drier, with maximum temperature of 45 degrees centigrade and minimum temperature of 6 degrees centigrade. Geographical zones or regions in Nigeria. There are mainly 3 geographical regions in Nigeria, and they are coastal region, savanna region, and tropical forest region. Coastal region. This region is mainly characterized by the presence of many water, that is, it is surrounded by many water. It is also called swamp region. The waters or rivers in this region made the lives and economies of the people living in this region to be river-based. Their major means of transportation is by water. They mainly produce seafoods like salt, fishes, crayfish, and recently, crude oil. They also produce boats for water transportation because they are surrounded by water. the Savannah region. This region is characterized by the presence of many grasslands and fewer trees. They have little forests. Because of this, they are mainly farmers who grow all kinds of grain, such as corn, guinea corn, beans, rice, millet, and others. They also rear cattle and sheep due to their grassland or vegetation. They have more pastoralists than any other region. They live near Sahara deserts. Tropical forest region. This region is characterized by the presence of many big trees, forests, and small farmlands. There are abundant palm trees in this region. They also produce timbers in a very large quantity. They have moderate amount of rivers with arable soil that accommodates the cultivation of tuber crops such as yam and cassava. Geopolitical zones in Nigeria. There are 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria, and they are located in the 3 geographical zones. In the coastal region, we have basically the states of Cross Rivers, Bayelsa, Edo, Delta, and Akwa Ibom. These 6 states are in South-South geopolitical zones. And in that same coastal region, we have some part of Lagos being one of the coastal regions. In the tropical region, there are 5 states of southeastern Nigeria, namely Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra, Abia, and Imo. Also, in that same tropical region, we have Ondo, Oyo, Osun, Ogun, Lagos, and Ekiti states as parts of southwestern geopolitical zones. They are 6 in number. However, some part of Kogi and Benue states are also tropical forest region. The Savannah region. This includes states of Borno, Yobe, Adamawa, Bauchi, Taraba, and Gombe. All of them are 6 in number, and they are in the northeastern geopolitical zone. We have Kebbi, Katsina, Kaduna, Sokoto, Kano, Jigawa, and Zamfara states as northwestern geopolitical zone. We also have Niger State, Benue State, Nasarawa, Kogi, Kwara, Plateau, and Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, as states in the North Central region. Benue and Kogi have both savanna and tropical forest region in some parts. Therefore, at this point, you should be able to ask yourself the following questions. Mention the 3 major geographical regions in Nigeria. Try and describe Nigeria based on its geographical location on the map of the world. Point out the main feature of the 3 geographical zones in Nigeria. Conclusion. Three main geographical zones in Nigeria are influenced by their environment in terms of production of goods. While the coastal region produces more of seafoods, the savanna region produces more of grains, and the tropical forest region produces more of timber.